Mexican shortcut for the roundhouse kick. Bats! So you guys get the point. A real roundhouse kick will be here. Bats! So even if you're not fast or you don't have the fast twitch muscle, so if you feel like you're having a hard time with generating speed with roundhouse kicks the way it's traditionally taught, I'm going to show you guys like a shortcut trick that Mexicans use. I learned this, I picked this up in Mexico, and keep in mind, like I said before, a real specialist, someone who's really good at something, has many ways of doing one fucking thing. So if you guys see all these other YouTubers, these other martial arts YouTubers, with these stupid videos they make like, oh, I was doing the jab wrong, I changed it. Oh, I was doing the roundhouse kick wrong, now I changed it to this. And then they only have one way of doing things, and then they change it to like a different way of doing it, which is just stupid. They should be doing it in many different ways. But this is the reason why they suck, and why they're most YouTubers, most martial arts YouTubers, they're just amateur. Most of them suck. Most of them are, they know a lot, sort of, but they lack a lot of experience, skill, and real fighting knowledge. Anyways, let's get to the video. So a normal way of doing a roundhouse kick, or a typical way, is to go around like this. Most people will teach you that. In most martial arts schools, they will teach you that, right? So you go like this. I'll first go all the way, and then I'll do the snapping one. Ah! Right, and then the snapping one will be here. Ah! Right, so either way, they will teach you to roundhouse kick here. Bring it here, or take off here, and then go around. And Muay Thai kickboxing is the same thing. They'll stand here, sometimes they'll step first, sometimes they'll take off depending on the person, but it's taught the same way. Like you're chopping down a tree, you'll either go like that, like this, or like that, right? You'll either go here, you'll go here, or you go high, or you go really high. Either way, they teach you to go around. And for people who like the fast twitch muscles and all that stuff, it may be difficult to kick fast in this way. So in Mexico, we have a shortcut way of kicking, because most Mexicans are not fast when they kick. So they're all taught this cheat technique pretty early on. If you guys watch old school Mexican fighters, you guys will see this a lot in Taekwondo. So instead of bringing your knee or your leg around like this, you're gonna go more straight, like you're actually doing a knee, like an actual knee to the body, or a front kick. So you're gonna go like this, everything straight. So it's pretty much a shortcut, right? If you think about it, instead of going like this, you're going straight to the target. So you're going here, and you're not gonna twist the other foot. You're not gonna twist the other foot. You're gonna come all the way here without turning, which is different than the other roundhouse kick. When you take off, you're already turning with this foot. With this kick, you're not gonna do that. You're gonna go straight like a knee, and your shoulders are very important here. When you take off and you go forward, your shoulders gotta go in it too immediately. So you gotta really commit to the kick. You're here, shoulders go in it too, and once you're here, you turn this foot, you turn your hips, you turn your arm, then you do the whole rotation movement once you finish doing the knee. So pretty much that's how you gotta think of it. Like you're doing a knee first, then you turn it into a roundhouse kick. So it looks like this. Bats! 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 So you guys get the point. A real roundhouse kick will be here. Ah! More round, or bats! So that's basically it. It's a shortcut. So if you like the fast twitch muscles, if you see that you're going around like this is hard for you, or you're not doing it fast enough, or if you have a hard time in the hips, tends to be the case for some people too, that going around like that and twisting just hurts their hips, try going straight. Now also, I use both. Like I said in my other videos, you know, for example, when I trained, I'll be kicking here, then turning the roundhouse kick, then a little more, then a little more, then more, to the point that I'm even gonna go maybe like this. Okay? Same thing. Other side, same thing. I may start here. Bah, look. Front foot not moving it. Bah, 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 bats, bats, bah. Just there are many different ways of doing roundhouse kick. So the stupid idea that other YouTubers have that, oh, I used to roundhouse kick like this. Now I roundhouse kick like this. Yeah, that just shows how mediocre they are. Okay, so practice this, guys. How we practice it in Mexico, we do it like this. We go straight, straight, and twist. Straight, and twist. Straight, and then twist. And then once you're there, you kick. Once you're there, you kick. Another thing I really like about this kick is for sparring, for fighting. I'll show you guys an example. If you spar, for example, kickboxers that are blocking like this, they're used to blocking kicks that come in like that. If they're blocking here, and you, instead of coming like this, you go straight to the target. Bah! Bah! And that happens. Okay, to the next video, guys. Catch you later.